Using the foam roller on your rotator cuff and into your teres muscles is a great way to relieve tension and reduce injury in the shoulders. Lay sideways with your chest opened up at a 45-degree angle toward the ceiling. Straighten your arm of the side that you're lying on and ease yourself forward and backward over the top of the shoulder joint where it meets your back. You can rotate slightly forward or backward into this posture to change the angle of the rotator cuff or the teres muscle. You're looking for any spots of tenderness and moving slowly about an inch at a time. If you find a spot of tenderness, press into it, relax, breathe deeply, and allow the tension to dissipate in that spot. Rotate forward or backward to change the angle slightly. Over 70,000 verified reviews tell the story of this product's success. See what's keeping people coming back at 321strong.com.